Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. Today's not Tuesday, so I can't call it Tech Tip Tuesday, it's Friday, so maybe we'll call this Freebie Friday. Anyway, I wanted to show you something in Chief Architect. Did you know that you can edit window sizes without unmulling them? Yes, I want to show you how we can do that. We've got several windows mulled here, and I've got another section, another window over here. Let's just raise this up so we can see that. How can you do that? You can do this either in camera view or elevation view or plan view. Okay, just like if you were selecting some items in here and you didn't want to select the window, you wanted to select the wall, but when I click on this, it picks the window first. I hit Tab, it selects the wall. Okay, and when I click on a mold unit and click Tab, if you zoom in on this, you'll see this line right here, and there's no line here. That means this window unit has been selected. Let's go ahead and click the Open button, and I can change the height of that unit. Let's say 75. Let's go back to camera, and there we have changed the height of just that one unit. So here I'm going to click on that right unit and click Tab and change that back to 60. Now I can't change anything but that height of that one unit, and I'm going to do the same here with my triple. I'm going to select the middle one and click Tab and then Open, and I could change this middle unit, just the height. You can also change, so let's say you didn't want to do that, let's say 60. You could do some object information, you could do components, you could do let's say we did treatments. Let's select a treatment here on the inside. So that one alone has window treatments, okay, versus having window treatments on the whole thing. Let's go treatments here. Interior, there we go, windows treatment. That's what it was. That's what I'm missing. So see how we have treatments over the whole window versus these blinds on just the one unit. All right. So yes, you could have a transom and hit tabs, click on the transom when you select the mold unit and open that, and you could change the height of that as well. Oops. I hope this is helpful. Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions bringing you Freebie Friday. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.